It's a different game when you get in the sheets. You gotta shoot that thing with a different release, but not like it's Ben Simmons for 3. I'm pulling up like a splash roll. She looking like Ariana, but with a grande ass though. She tryna push on my buttons, I'm like, this ain't Smash Bros. Yeah. She can have whatever she want, except for the passcode. Except for my passcode. Brand new, huh?
You should be more careful around the...
Brand new, oh you brand new, huh? Oh girl, I want that old thing back. You spilling red wine on my helmet lane. Nowadays I don't believe you when you tell me things. I'm trying to help you and you taking it the wrong way. It's been a long day. I started off light liquor with the Bombay. I'm switching over dark liquor, this the ombre. Girl, tell me where you at. I'm tired of interacting over apps. Maybe we can have a chat over entrees. Don't try to throw me a curve, cause I'm the type that'll hit it. I see you type up the message and then decide not to send it. See you the type to get